The habitable Earth. What makes Earth habitable? Well, first, we as humans have essential needs. So that includes oxygen, along with carbon, food, and we also need protection from high solar radiation. One of the things that makes Earth so habitable is its distance from the sun. So Earth is at a right distance, is at a very good distance from the sun, which then protects us from solar radiation by the magnetic field. Our atmosphere is also another thing that keeps us protected. And it keeps us warm by providing insulation and also protects us from solar winds, cosmic rays, meteors, etc. As I mentioned before, our Earth, it has carbon, phosphorus, water, those essential needs that we need in order to survive and live a healthy life. And another important fact is that the elements on Earth are cycled through life, and they help provide us with a sustainable environment. So we talked about how Earth is at the right distance from the sun. So this is important because we are able to sustain the liquid on our Earth, because Earth has a high percentage of water. We also talked about the necessary essential needs, so including the carbon, and we also need nitrogen, and those 1% of those other gases. So we talked about those important elements that make Earth so habitable, which included the distance from the sun, the essential elements, which include water, carbon, phosphorus, those essential elements and minerals that we need in order to live healthy and sustainable lives. And we also talked about our strong magnetic field and how that strong magnetic field not only keeps the Earth warm, but it also provides us with protection along with the atmosphere.